Hi guys. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Wende. I know it's been long since I posted a video. I've not been feeling well. Yeah, but today is another good day, another great day, another awesome day that the Lord has made, and I'm really grateful for it. I'm grateful for being alive and everything. So yeah, to my returning subscribers, receive all the love. You guys, you don't know how happy you make me. Like that sleeping, then waking up to an additional subscriber, just it motivates me a lot. It makes me so happy. Like it makes my gloomy days so good. I'm really grateful. And if there is a day that goes without me appreciating you, I'm sorry. Yeah. And feel the most appreciated. Yeah. So to my returning subscribers, thank you. To my new subscribers, welcome home. This is home, okay? Not the house, not the house that you see. Like this channel is your home. It is a home for all of us. So kindly don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, okay? You're very much welcome. So let's start today's video. As you can see there. So today I'll be helping my auntie to move into a brand new house. So as you can see there, I found her already started. Yeah, it's just within Nairobi. That's why you've just seen me travel from home to her place. It's not far from our place. Yeah, so I found her already started. She had already organized everything, packed everything so that it can be taken to the pickup or the transportation means. Yeah, and let me show you the house so that you can see where my auntie used to stay, where I used to call my other home. This is my other home, my auntie's place. Yeah, this is where she used to stay. And we as women, even not we as women, like everyone loves changes. Like everyone loves a change. Yeah, so it's good to have changes. It's good, and I'm happy for her. She's moving into a new space, a bigger space. Yeah, it's a big achievement. That's the house. Mm, that's me there. I wanted to remove that mirror because I knew it would be forgotten there. Yeah. So that's the house. That was the balcony, but now it was so open to in a way that it used to get the house so cold. So that's why you can see it covered that way. This is the bedroom. Yeah, it is a girl's bedroom. You can see the mirrors. Yeah. Uh-huh. An awesome bed there. Yeah. So stay here, watch through so that you can see what you did that day. Yeah. And also see the new house that she moved into. It is just there. I'll be showing you in a few. And guys, we are now at our new home. Wow, I love this place so much. Just look at how spacious it is. The parking, the security, and everything. Like everything is just amazing. Yeah, so this is our pickup. hmm And guys, this pickup wouldn't fit all the things. So this is round two. There is a round one that was brought earlier that I didn't show you. Yeah, so that is me going to the house. Yeah, I was so excited. Like I just wanted to see how the house looks inside the interior of the house. Yeah. So let's go and see what we are missing. Habari yako? Mguu. Ziko kwa ile basket ya white. Babe. Guys, tell me what you think about that house. Is it not beautiful? Like, it's so beautiful and spacious. It has wardrobes. It has a big kitchen. It has a big balcony. Like, everything is so spacious here. Yeah, and the bathroom too, the bedroom. I loved it. So, guys, Tell me what you think about the house in the on the comment section. Yeah, then I'll show you how we arranged the house in my next video. So for today's video, it will end there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying here up to the end. Feel so much appreciated, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you on my next video.